This morning's topic is a different one, and it is rather dear to me also because as a male, I too have experienced this in the past. Now, a male reached out to me and asked for me to do this topic, try to explain to females so that they can understand. So to the females that are listening, please take note and also share this vlog with another female friend. And to the males listening, also take note and share with your female companion or other male friends going through the same situation. Now, females often wonder why males are so closed off for the most part and why men don't talk, why men don't open up to them. And it's a harsh reality that women often have to confront. Now, females, society has conditioned men to keep their emotions bottled up and internalize everything. But we also have another issue, another problem. And that is that the women of today have never been taught how to create an atmosphere in which their partner can open up to them. So you see, when a man finally chooses to let down his guard and open up to his female companion, it can be very challenging for that male. And because the lack of teaching how to create that atmosphere as the female, it can also be challenging for her to receive it when he does let down his guard. And to the females, when the male finally opens up to you and share certain integral thoughts, certain secrets, certain emotions with you of what he's going through, how he's feeling about a certain thing, and he pours out to you, and then you collect all this information, and when you're mad at him, when you're upset at him, you use that information that he gave to you in confidence against him. That is a devastating blow, not just to your partner, but also to your relationship. That will close him down again. So ladies, it's time to learn how to create the environment for your man to feel safe enough to express himself fully. But it begins from within. So ladies, if the only thing that you can focus on is to the fact that your man isn't talking to you, you risk neglecting your own feelings and needs. You must, as a woman, ask yourself these questions, and I quote, am I creating the atmosphere? Am I building a home that is secure and inviting from within? Those are the questions. And in closing, my friends, let your partner know that you are there for him and willing to listen. You see, with patience and understanding, he may just open up in ways that you have never thought possible. Yeah, man, a word to the wise.